Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a fully working Pokemon Go spoofer in 2024. This is updated and it's time for you to take advantage of the fact that you no longer need to be out in the world. You can just play Pokemon Go in your house. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this spoofer. It's fully working, guys, in 2024. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So let's go, and I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So as you can see, I have the Pokemon Go, as they refer to it, the Pokemon Go spoofer. So that's pretty cool, right? So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it in this video. It's fully working, guys. You get all the settings and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So let's get right into the video. So first things first, guys, we need to go to this website called ZooMods, which has tons of mods for apps and games. So once we get to this website, guys, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in Pokemon Go. And as you can see, guys, it says Pokemon Go mod right there. So just press on that and wait for it to download. If you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go ahead and try us out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, because I mean, I'm always looking for like updated Pokemon Go spoofers, but I can't really find any. So if you go to the App Store and type in Pokemon Go spoofer, as you can see, there is nothing. There's just like these raid apps. So if you want to actually get it, you need to go to ZooMods. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super insane. So yeah, let's go. So yeah, this is a Pokemon Go spoofer. So anyways, guys, be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys, because it is super insane and this fully works and everything like that. So be sure to go ahead and get the word out, guys, because it's super insane, guys. Yeah, it's so good, guys. If you play Pokemon Go on the regular, because like if you do, then you know it's hard to get Pokemon. There's also enhanced throw in here, which is super cool. Gives you like 100% catch rate if you throw the ball right, so that's super awesome. So yeah, be sure to go ahead and try this out, guys, because it is updated and everything like that. So yeah, it's pretty sick, honestly. I mean, I like it a lot. I've caught a ton of Pokemon using this method. But yeah, it's super cool. Oh my god, bro, it escaped. What the heck, bro?